Hello, this is Edward Lambert. This video is part 1 of 3 videos presenting the Meridian order for the mental body. This video covers the first 4 steps in the order, which establish and express creative visualization in the mental body. The first 2 steps are titled Illuminating the Mind. Now the colors in each step correspond to the meridians. Okay, now step 1, the first meridian, is the bladder meridian. So here we see the yang of water, the yang meridian of water, sets up the vibration of the mental body. Now visualize a sphere of canary yellow color in and around your head. This is the center of the mental body. Now imagine nothingness, and in this nothingness, in the silent peace, you feel a stirring of consciousness. Something begins to move. Waves are moving back and forth. Consciousness is awakening. It's a very, very pure state. Most common meditations seek this original and pure state of thought because the mind resets. It's like you can take back whatever you're thinking and just reset it back to a blank slate and begin to rewrite the script of your life. But at the very beginning, this is how the mind sets up. You start with a blank slate and then you begin to write the script of life. Now, advanced meditations will continue through the following steps to really develop how the mind and thought process. So here we go on to step 2, which is the gallbladder meridian. Now visualize a rosy magenta color that helps to set up the meaning of the meridian. Consciousness is filled with abundant colors floating in abstract formless shapes. The colors intermingle and move. So from the first step you have the stirring of consciousness and some movement. And then in the second step, color begins to fill that movement. Nothing is definable, yet all is possible with seemingly infinite colors and forms. Consciousness is accessing a palette of colors for painting life. It is a reservoir of creative visualization. That's what the gallbladder meridian is. It's a reservoir of creative light energy for visualization. This is mind light substance filling the consciousness. This light substance is used to form thoughts into things. So you begin to see in these first 2 steps that you could use this for a meditation. That in the first step, you just go back to this movement of thought at a very pure and original state. And then you begin to fill that space with colors, lights, forms. And then from there, you're really building the foundation for creative visualization. You're building the power of the mental body to really function. Okay, here we move on to steps 3 and 4. These steps are called extending visions. First, step 3. It's the heart meridian. Visualize a red color. Now, out of the abstract mists of colors, which comes from step 2, one image comes into focus. This image starts a world being formed in consciousness, but it starts with one clear image, one clear idea, one clear concept, one clear starting point. One can consciously choose this image from the mind light substance in step 2 to direct the thought being created. Or one can accept an image from the subconscious. Either way, one will learn about the image as the centerpiece of thought experience. Concentration with the red color in front of the third eye with the eyes closed produces clear images. You can try that for yourself. Step 4 is the liver meridian. You visualize an emerald green color. Now the world is forming around the one image which came into focus in step 3. The mind light substance extends beyond the one image, creating a world context around the one image. This is creative visualization. So you'll see in the picture over here to the left how that one image of a red poppy flower all of a sudden extends into a whole field and horizon and sky and clouds, into a whole world around that one red poppy. So you see the world context around it. This is what happens in step 4. Colors and forms can be changed at this step. Other images can be selected and placed into the world, like happens in lucid dreaming, where one is conscious in dreams. So this whole process of extending the world is done consciously or subconsciously, depending on the person's consciousness. Now from here, we're going to go on to the second 4 steps in this order of the mental body in part 2. And part 2 is going to develop the form and logic of concepts of thought.